Hello friends, here I'm with ultimate tasty recipe, restaurant style egg fried rice. It's super quick bachelor version with simple ingredients. Gets ready in just 10 minutes only. It's absolutely easy to make this amazing flavorful dish when you're craving or busy. It's perfect for one person meal and delicious go-to recipe for quick lunchbox with 1 egg and 1.5 cup rice. Kids will also love this rice. Let's get started. First we'll make scrambled egg. Heat a pan, add half a teaspoon oil. As you know, egg doesn't need much oil. Once the oil is hot enough, crack one egg. Since it's one person meal, we will use spices in small quantities. Next add a pinch of turmeric, a pinch of chili powder, and a pinch of coriander powder, and little more than pinch of salt. Keep mixing until you get perfect scrambled egg. Once done, keep it aside. Next in the same pan, add 1 teaspoon butter or ghee. Adds nice flavor. Then add quarter teaspoon cumin seeds, a pinch of turmeric, one finely chopped garlic, few onion pieces, and quarter teaspoon salt. If you like it more spicy, add 2 chilies. Fry until onions are sauteed well. Then add 1.5 cup rice. Add quarter teaspoon cumin seeds powder, quarter teaspoon chili powder, and a pinch of black pepper. Mix all spices with rice to blend well. For slight tanginess, squeeze quarter lime. Adds perfect balance of flavors. And finally add half a teaspoon soya sauce to enhance the flavor. Mix all and cook for 2 minutes. Now add scrambled egg to rice. Mix everything well. Cook for 3 more minutes to blend nicely. As you see, flavorful delicious egg fried rice is ready in just 10 minutes only. Serve hot and enjoy every bite. Stay tuned for many more amazing recipes. Thanks for watching.